Guys, if someone is asking for poster or campaign design but you get the product image flat or zero aesthetic, so for this I will create design with AI. So this is the flat image which I got from Google. Now I will search for some inspiration for commercial photo shoot in Pinterest. I'll recommend Pinterest because it gives lots of inspirations. So yes, I found it, and whichever I feels good, I will right click on that image and I will save that image on my laptop so that it can be used for further. So these are some of my inspirations which I really liked it. Please watch the video till the end, guys, so that I would like to share one more creative idea. So save the image name as product and reference as reference. Now open the ChatGPT and click on plus sign to add photos and files. I'm selecting my file for foxtail, and I will take that reference image which is in orange background, which I really liked it, and I'll write some description now. Description is very important because by reading that description only ChatGPT will create an image for you. So this is my description. I will click now OK. It will take some time. Before that I will read some description for you. Transfer my product image into a premium commercial photo shoot using the reference image only for lighting, style, composition, camera angle and overall aesthetic. Okay, the final result should look like a professional brand photo shoot. So this and my main color, product main color is purple, so I need the image in purple only. So let's see. Oh wow, I got whatever I needed. So I'll right click on the photo image and I will save that image so that I can use my image very easily. So this is done. So now I will open my another image I have created, that is of Rene's Lumi Glow. This image also we will take for creating another photo shoot. So now I have opened Adobe Illustrator and I will place that image which I have downloaded from ChatGPT, and let's create very nice photo shoot. You have to change the artboard size to 1080 by 1130 pixels. Please watch the video till the end, guys, so that I would like to share one more creative ideas by using ChatGPT. Yes, I will place this foxtail logo here. See, it is beautifully created with less effort. So I have created one more which I have told you about Rene Lumi Glow poster. Then one thought came to my mind that why can't we can create logo using ChatGPT. This is for the personal use, who wants to create any channel or something and doesn't know how to create a logo. So this is for them. So I'll look for inspiration again for in Pinterest for professional logo design, so that I found some font which I want to my logo, and according to that font I need my logo to be in that font. Okay, this is for short term use, you can create. So I have uploaded the image and I am writing now the description. So I'll take the logo name as SGraphic. Let's see whichever font I needed of my logo name, that is created or not. So once again I'm telling, this is for the beginners who doesn't know how to create logo, and they are doing something personal and they need a logo for them. So yes, I have completed with my description. Now let's see. Okay. Yes. Oh wow, that's perfect. So this is how we can create from inspiration. Thank you guys for watching my video till the end. Hope you like the video. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.